Hi, I'm Jan from Pins and Needles. You know, our store is designed to educate, and we want all of our customers to be as educated on all the products that they purchase from us and all the new sewing techniques. Some of you may be still sewing like you did 20 years ago, and a lot of things have changed since then. We do big events going on like we're doing today that just becomes a big social fun time, but you learn lots and lots of techniques. Today it's about embroidery, sometimes it's about serging, sometimes it's about quilting, so make sure you always know what's going on at Pins and Needles and sign up quickly. They fill up very, very fast. We always have lots of food, the conversation is great, you get to make friends from all the other people because everybody here talks sewing, so everybody's got something in common immediately. And it's just a nice relaxing day for you. Plus you're going to find a lot of tricks that you might be doing the hard way and you didn't know this and you didn't know that. And if you're still sewing like you did 20 years ago, these different events and the classes that we teach at Pins and Needles are going to really enhance your sewing ability, and you'll have a lot more fun with your craft. Stop in and see us.